God have mercy upon us.
She's a 10, but has a toxic ex.
Is she toxic? Is she toxic? The ex? How many ex became toxic?
Yeah, the toxic ex wake ndo ako toxic.
Simu ya kina Manare ni nini?
A 10, but has a bad music taste. Bad music taste.
We don't live by music. We don't live by music.
Hey.
Yes.
She's a 10, but she wants your location 24/7.
I want to run a fire.
She's a 10, but leaves dirty dishes in the sink for days.
She's a 10, but she wants to argue 2 a.m. because she remembered something.
It's okay.
That's hapo sasa ni make up.
As a 10, but chews with her mouth open.
At some point.
The 10, but she likes it for a long time or for hours. For hours. Wow.